Hey, Thomas and Randy from Pinch. Something we've been talking about is right when Randy started, I think he was a little surprised in a very good way to find out, and you may not know, is that every time you order fresh ground pepper from us, we grind it right on the spot that day. So we thought it'd be fun today to just show you that process. So here we go. This is our pepper grinder here, which is a coffee grinder actually, but has only ever ground pepper in it. This is all we use this grinder for. This is going to Cassandra in Arizona. This is your actual pepper being ground. And you can just see this process here. We get this pepper directly from Sri Lanka. We've been buying the same pepper from the same farms for the last almost decade. And we love it because and many of our customers have noticed, it has a wonderful pepper flavor, but you get all kinds of nice notes of fruit and some real subtle sweetness in there, and it's just a great pepper. So here we go. And you can kind of see that grind. I'm gonna just put the camera in here. You can see that really nice grind. This is just sort of our standard grind that we do. Doesn't get any more fresher than that. Have a good one.